Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today is Friday, August 31st. So, this is going to be a short episode. Basically, it's just a channel update. So, upcoming videos. A couple weeks ago, I went to the Woodward Dream Cruise. I have some footage of that. That video is almost done. I should have it out on Monday, so you guys can enjoy it. Last weekend, I went to the 34th Annual Trans Am Nationals here in Dayton, Ohio. I did a walk around. I was hoping to get a little more footage, but there was some rain. But I'm still kind of glad I went on the Saturday because it was nice, and even though it rained a bit, it was nice and cool. Sunday was blistering hot, so I'm kind of glad I didn't go on Sunday. So that will be coming out next week. I have a couple videos coming of the Trailblazer, kind of how-tos. Next week, I'll be heading out to LS Fest in Bowling Green, Kentucky. So I hope to see some of you guys out there. If you see me, feel free to say hi. So the main reason people probably clicked on this link was the fact of the giveaway. So last week, finally hit 2,500 subscribers. Thank you very much, everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it. So as a token of my appreciation, I'm going to be giving out 2 prizes. Alright, so the 2 things I'm going to be giving away, we have this GoPro handle, which actually also doubles for floating. So if you like to do anything in the water and you drop it, hey, it'll float. It also has a nice wrist strap for it, and it has a thumb screw tightener. And I'm not sure what that tip is there, but it almost looks like a bottle opener. Not to say you couldn't use it as a bottle opener, but... Oh no, it does say thumb screw wrench and bottle opener. Okay. So, there you go. Second thing is a head strap. So if you're ever watching some of the Hoonigan videos when they're working in their garage, some of the guys are usually wearing one of those when working on stuff. So it's kind of nice for that kind of thing, or anything else you might be doing with a GoPro. And then also they have a hat clip here. As it is, stick it under your hat and with your GoPro. So the way the contest is going to go, you must be a subscriber. So if you want to enter the contest, please subscribe. And I am only doing the contest for the Intercontinental United States due to shipping. So there's that. So if you want to enter, please comment down below. And what I'll do is I'll leave the commenting open until next Sunday night. When I get back from LS Fest, and at that point I'll cut off commenting, and then I'll take everyone's comments, put it into a randomized selector, and I'll do a video of that whole thing, so people don't think, oh, well, they're getting gypped or whatnot. So we'll have that, and then someone will get selected and contact them and get these shipped out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. As I said, if you want to enter the contest, please comment down below. And if it's your first time stopping by the channel, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.